Who sits around and comes up with these things? These are awesome. Check out these electrical and hose clamp disconnect pliers for removing items out of your engine bay. But the electrical disconnect, you got one tooth that comes down that you use on the push style connection, and then the bottom actually cradles the bottom of that plug. So check it out. So you just basically put that on the single on the top side of it where the push style is, give it a little twist, you're in business. How easy was that? So this is a super awesome tool. You know, no matter if you're using it for that desired purpose, or if you're biting onto a nut or holding a piece of rebar or something in place, smash. Hey, this right here is an awesome tool, but the other one here is for a hose disconnect. Check it out. So you got one slot in the center of one of them and the other's clamped off. So some of them will work either direction, but most of them, you take the single tab side and put that on the flat jaw, flip it over, and hey, check that out. All day long, all day long. So these are right here are pretty neat pliers, and this one right here, it even has a couple little slits in the bottom like you could shape metal or something. I don't even know what that is. But check these bad boys out. I'll put a link in the description down below, that way you don't miss out on them. Super awesome for items inside your engine bay.